There are some letters that are silent. GN, KN, MB, and WR all have silent letters. GN, the G is silent. We say N. KN, the K is silent. We say N. MB, the B is silent. We say M. And WR, the W is silent. We say Okay, let's practice some words. Ready? I'll say the words first and then you repeat. Remember, these are silent letter words. Wreath, kneel, rain, comb, wrist, ring, lamb, knuckle, align, rot, knob, wriggle, new, climb, wrinkle, knife, gnome, crumb, wrist, knot. Excellent job. Let's do it again for practice. Ready? Wreath, kneel, rain, comb, wrist, ring, lamb, knuckle, align, rot, knob, wriggle, new, climb, wrinkle, knife, gnome, crumb, wrist, knot. Excellent job. I'm going to have you try it. These are pretty hard. Remember the silent letters. Go. Excellent job. Okay, these are some hard words. I'm going to point to them and you tell me what it is. Ready? Yep, that's crumb. Yeah, this is lamb. Yep, this is new. This is not. Good job. Yes, this is rain. Yes, that is knob. Good job, that's gnome. Yes, that is wreath. Good job. Remember when you see WR to say KN to say N, GN to say N, MB, N.